Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southwest of Mount Horace to near Blanchardville to near Warren to near Maspach, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Madison, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Middleton, Stoughton, Waunakee, Monroe, Verona, Oregon, McFarland, Monona, Mount Horace, Windsor, Brodhead, Darlington, DeForest, Cross Plains, Belleville, New Glarus, and Shorewood Hills. People attending Bradford and Madison should seek safe shelter immediately. Other landmarks included are the following locations: your search in Wisconsin.